guys, this is Akinukwa. People are running. People are running because. So guys, this is a rainy day here in Nigeria, a small town, a university campus in Nigeria. It just rained. Drive with us as we head to town. Well, sometimes, funny enough, it rains in some parts of this town while it doesn't rain in some parts. So let's go ahead and see if it will rain, if it also rains in the town. It's still drizzling. It's still drizzling. I think I like how the weather is cool. Hark the voice of Jesus crying, who we go and walk today. Fields are white and harvest waiting, who we bear the sheep's away. Hark the voice of Jesus crying, who we go and walk today. Fields are white and harvest waiting, who we bear the sheep's away. Who will answer gladly saying, here am I, send me, send me. welcome back to my channel. We are in town right now. It's windy. Wow, guys, see how windy it is. See. It's so windy. So guys, you can see it's so windy. People are running because it's about raining. Look at it, guys. Look at how busy the place is. So guys, as you can see, it's windy. The place is looking dark here this afternoon, and that's because it wants to rain. I mean, the weather has been so hot. See coconut. So guys, I was trying to buy ukwa. That's what I'll show you people said. So guys, see the weather is cold, it's looking dark. So I'm fine. It was raining. Hey, Lord. So guys, it is 3:40 something now to 3:40 something p.m. to 4 p.m. in the afternoon, and everywhere is dark like this because it's raining. And a lot of people did not really expect the rain. A lot of people did not expect this rain because, I mean, it's been a while. I really felt a heavy downpour in the afternoon. The weather has been hot, but I'm glad it's cool this evening. Not just cool, but normal. It's not cold. Let me see if I can get what's happening outside for you guys to see. So guys, this is Aki Nukwa. They call it Aki Nukwa. Why? This is coconut. This is a slice of coconut. And in Igbo language is a Nigerian language, one of the 3 major languages in Nigeria. Coconut is called Aki Oyibo. So they started doing, this is called roasted ukwa, breadfruit. Roasted breadfruit. Can you see it? Roasted breadfruit. So they call it Aki Nukwa. Now, I don't know what else to tell you, but the name is Aki Nukwa. So guys, this is Aki Nukwa. I know those of you that are in diaspora may be missing this as you see this now. Sorry. That's those outside the country. Sorry, you might be missing Aki Nukwa if you like to tell you're in Nigeria. So watch me as I eat my Aki Nukwa, but I want to rinse it with water. I don't have water. So guys, this is it. This is the. Do you know, funny enough, I'm having cravings like someone who is pregnant, guys, because on a normal day I cannot see this thing I want. I've never bought it directly. What's the difference between this one and the roasted ukwa? This one is roasted ukwa. The coconut is not sweet. It is not fresh. Guys, I've never bought it in though. It's one of the driest thing a human being can buy. I prefer ukwa esiresi. That's ukwa that is cooked like jollof rice. Now look at me eating it now. Guys, that's because for some days now I've not been able to eat well. I don't know what happened. My tummy started rejecting food. But now my appetite is back. Today anything I see I want to eat. Check out. It's still raining though. So guys, like I told you, it's still raining, but I'm driving. Rather,
We're in the vehicle and I'm enjoying my Akinuka. This one is how much? 100 naira this coconut and Nuka. So let me show people the road. Mhm.
So guys, we are going down the slope. So guys, we are going back. The place is dark. This is afternoon, past 4, and the weather is like this. Let me show you the time. Oh, sorry guys, it's not up to 4. Oh. It's still 3 minutes to 4.